Hi, my name is Rohan, and I truly appreciate you visiting the channel. A Bible centered channel dedicated to planting, watering, and growing in faith. The purpose of this channel is to equip, encourage, and inspire the individuals to build a true and strong foundation in Christ Jesus. What you can expect from this channel: Bible based teachings, Bible studies that we required many times, spiritual growth messages from the Bible, Christian motivation content that we need, faith and apologetics to just protect your faith in this world, sermon and devotionals from the Bible, even short faith building films that will help you leap in your faith sometime, and all other different types of topics that we will be covering from the Bible. So, whether you are a younger or older Christian, or you're simply searching for truth, please consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any spiritual content. Thank you.